Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and proximity. Make sure both devices have charge and are within about 10 meters. Next, disable Bluetooth on the host, wait 10 seconds, then re-enable it so radios renegotiate. Once done, perform a full restart of the host and the peripheral. This clears transient radio locks and resets stacks. These steps are the fastest way to remove simple pairing glitches and should be done before deeper troubleshooting. Now you focus on software. Make sure the Bluetooth service or daemon on your host is running and not disabled by airplane mode or power saving. If using a PC, open Device Manager or Settings and update or reinstall the Bluetooth driver. On phones, update firmware and app Bluetooth permissions. Remove existing pairings on both sides and repair cleanly. This forces a new link key. These steps address driver corruption and permission conflicts that commonly break connections. For final fixes, inspect advanced settings. Ensure the device supports the required profile and codec, for example A2DP for audio or HID for keyboards. If problems persist, test the peripheral with a different host or test your host with a different peripheral to isolate whether the issue is host or device side. If nothing else works, reset network settings or factory reset the failing device as a last resort. If that still fails, check for hardware faults or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.